Bro, I keep on seeing this trend about 2016, and y'all keep on going back and forth about like, oh, in 2016, I was in the club bumping this. In 2016, da da da. Nigga, I was 13. I was on 2K playing 2K16, killing y'all. Okay, just in case you was confused, if you was on Xbox, you was definitely getting smoked by Young C back in the day in 2K16. But what's good, everybody? It's your boy C. It's your boy me. We back with another. Let me hear you say it. Banger, banger. Banger. You already know what I'm saying, man. Hey, man. Hey, hold on. Let me get this mic right. Hold on, cuz. You know what I'm saying? Now I got the mic adjusted. I got the camera adjusted. Y'all right there. Y'all hollering at me. Y'all talking to me today. Hey, twin. You woke up. I woke up. That means today is a blessed day, dog. Twinjamin, let me hear you say it's a blessed day, twin. You feel me? We up in here. We in the building today, man. Look, now today is a special video. Look. YouTube, y'all been mad at me recently. Look, bro, this is an educational video through and through, okay? Because today I'm gonna be telling y'all if living soil actually makes a difference with your packs. Because I'm about to try living soil, like a living soil grown plant for the first time ever. You know what I'm saying? That I know of, in the sense, like that I know of. I know this living soil, so I'm about to try this. And yeah, but before we get into any of that, man, you already know. I need you to, hey man. Follow your boy on the gram, dog. You feel me? We even running up the gram. We right up running up on 2,200 followers. So definitely do that. And look, I need you to run that up on the gram. Follow your boy on the gram. This is all I need from you in the video. Leave down below 3 companies you want to see your boy work with. You feel me? Shout out to CannaCured for hooking up this video. But I want to hear from y'all 3 companies that y'all want to see your boy work with in this big 2026. Because we definitely maneuvering differently this year, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, if you excited to get into that, make sure you smash that like button. I'm gonna let y'all know what this living soil really talking about. But before we get into that, you already know, twin, the Discord right there. You in the Discord. I appreciate you for joining that. We just hit 300 members, did that giveaway. Shout out to Twin in the Discord for winning said giveaway. You know what I'm saying? Like, love doing stuff with y'all, love getting involved with y'all. And I really want to plan a big smoke session. We've been talking about it in the Discord. So if y'all want to be a part of a big smoke session with your boy, you got to be in the Discord, because we definitely going to do that here soon, okay? Now, you already know how these videos go, man. I'm going to give y'all this message of the day, and prayer, and then we're going to get straight into the bit. Y'all ready? Message of the day today. Stand on what you stand on, twin. Like, I can tell you, without sharing too many details in my life right now, there's a lot of moral things going on where it's like, do I want to do this and this? Even though, like, morally, I ain't rocking with it, so I'm pushing it over there. But then come up with the money signs, and I still got to push it over there, because that's not how I'm standing morally. That's not how we rocking. You feel me? That may just be me. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with dying on that hill, but I know it's not just me. I know there's some real out there like y'all who would also be like, man, but that little money, man. I'm going to stand on my code, my moral, my ethics. Y'all know the vibe. So make sure you standing on what you stand on, twin. You know what I'm saying? So you're standing on what you're standing on. God allowed us to have these 2 feet to stand on them. So let's bow his head. You know what I'm saying? Dear Heavenly Father, thank you so much for just all the beautiful things you do in my life and the person watching this video's life, Lord. I thank you so much for just waking us up today and blessing us with another beautiful day where we can go out here and just take on the world that you have made, Lord. I thank you for the path that you've made for each and every one of us, and continuing to walk down that path with us, Lord. And even though we might stumble and we might veer off, you correct us, Lord, and you help us walk that path straight and narrow, Lord. And I just thank you for everything you do. I thank you for the person that's already clicked off this video, maybe even left a hateful comment. I thank you for that person. I thank you for the one that liked the video and left a great comment, Lord, because you're working with them like you're working with me, and you're just not giving up on any of us, Lord. And I just thank you so much for all that. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. In the chat said, yeah, you already know, man. So you like, all right, see what we got going on today, twin. Let me know something. I got you. Now, like I said, shout out them folks at CannaCured.
Nah, twin, your screen didn't freeze. Look, I forgot to say something, but if you want to see that flower, you want to see what it look like, see that goody goody, you got to hit the short. You feel me? Let's get straight into that goody goody, though.
They sent your boy that, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, what? I might have to get a thumbnail right now. Hold on, y'all. Now, there was 2 packs out of this little last care package. If you ain't seen last video, I don't know what you're doing with your life, twin. But look, you see how that Versace and that Blue Jam both got that living soil grown on it. You know what I'm saying? It's that prestige living soil grown. So I went to my Discord and I sent the flower and I was like, hey, which one y'all want to see? Mud, which one y'all want to see? You know what I'm saying? I got to see what the word is. And I ain't gonna lie, it was a pretty even toss-up between Blue Jam and Versace. So, hey, y'all know when y'all see that sativa. It's low-key awake and bake without being awake and bake. So, I'm trying to have my morning coffee being that sativa. You know what I'm saying? So, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know why I said I have already got the bit rolled and prepared and ready to go. So, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh Lord, it's a bird, it's a plane, it's a Woodiana. You know what I'm saying? I sound like Harry the Platypus. Like, but I think we have everything we need to properly get into like this debacle. Like, yeah, does this living soil grown pack hit different? Does it hit better? Like I said, YouTube, this video is purely educational. You know what I'm saying? It's a purely educational video. I'm just trying to see if living soil actually makes a difference to the product, the cannabinoids, the terpenes, the schmack. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see what the word is. Dirk the Voice Casino just what to say. I'm the hero. I come through say today. Hats off if you keeping it real. Yeah, I honestly don't think there's much more for me to yap about. So without further ado, I guess we can get into this smoke as I'm trying to fix my camera. Now, it was a very sad moment. I was rolling this back what I had a perla, and then I picked it up like these. I went like that, and that went limp on me. You feel me? This shit broke my heart, split right in half. So put it back together with this little bit of paper. Hopefully that do what it need to do. Just a little band-aid, you know what I'm saying? So without further ado, let's get to it. So my fault. You know, you already know though, as I roll this up, as I get everything together, you gotta go down below and like the video, and you gotta comment what you either smoking or eating right now, because I know y'all is smoking or eating something. You ain't gotta play with me, bro. As I'm starting to spark this joint to get it ready to cheers with y'all, this joint is already coming off with some different smells, like some just, you know what I'm saying? Like, cheers, chat. Oh, there's so many different things I just experienced right there. Hold on. Like, there were so many different things. Like, I hit the J, and the paper got stuck to my lips, so I had to yank that motherfucker off my lip. And then I inhaled it. It was like, that was good. But I just brushed my teeth like 30 minutes ago, so it was like, damn, smoked toothpaste. You know what I'm saying? Like, so let me get that bit right. There's a little bit of everything in here, bro. It's like, I can't wait a minute. Cause like, hold on now, twin. Let me break it down to you like these, like straight like these. You know what I'm saying? This is Versace. It's living grown soil, and I don't know what the it tastes like, but it smells like some Super Za. You feel me? It smells like some Super Za, and this taste is just like fresh. I don't even know what the actual terpene I'm smoking is. Like, I gotta get a little bit more into it. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's definitely fresh, but I can't tell what flavor it is. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. You're getting that little bit of purple, like that purple taste. It's like, ooh, it's like it want to take me, like I'm going down this road, and then right before I'm like, oh yeah, I taste this. We just take a right. Like, she punching though. Like, I ain't gonna lie, already. Let me get y'all ass check, because we can already do that right up in there, bitch. Little white black. I'll do another one at the end, and we're gonna compare them. We're gonna compare and contrast them. You know what I'm saying? It's leaving like this. It's got a diesel. I know it's crossed with some type of diesel, but whatever diesel it is a lower undertone. Like, I feel like that's what I'm getting on the back end. Like, you know how like sometimes you smoke a sour diesel and it almost feels like it coats your tongue, like that funk, that dieselness. You know what I'm saying? That's it's got a little bit of that. The main thing I can say is the smoothness on this is quite crazy. Like, that like almost felt like I hit nothing. And that's interesting, because this is in the backwood. Y'all know I roll that Woodiana. So that's very interesting that this low-key felt like hitting nothing right there. But I'm gonna run it back. Like, that's a good thing though. Like, I like my blunts to be, you know, got a to them, but not harsh. I don't like no harsh shit. Like, but I definitely like that you know what I'm saying? I'll go ahead and put the description of everything up on the screen now, so you can reread all about it. I'm thinking like that Granddaddy Perp, sour diesel. Those are the two things I'm tasting. Mainly the Granddaddy Perp. I feel like I'm tasting the Granddaddy Perp, but I'm getting a hit of the sour diesel. You know what I'm saying? Like the chest hit. Like the smoothness, I don't know what the it is, but schmave. My eyes have now discovered gravity. Like, these motherfuckers getting low. Boy, I about fell over my face. Bro, it's so funny. Every time I go to do one of these videos, like, I got the screenshot on this phone, so I'll put it up now, you know what I'm saying? But every time I go to do one of these videos after CannaCured just sent me a box, I'll be talking to y'all about shit in the Discord, and then I go drop to record the video, and y'all done bought everything. Like, no way this Versace had full stock when I ordered it and was doing my little shit. And then we started talking about it, and now it's sold out. I can't pull it up on the website. Thankfully, I got that screenshot, though, so I can still show you what it say it tastes like and smoke like and all of that. You know what I'm saying? I do wonder this. Now, I don't have any basis of this at all. What I'm about to say is low-key pulling it out of my ass. No diddy. I wonder if there's anything tied between sinuses and like something grown and living grown soil, or like, I don't know. I just know my nose is like stoppy right now. That's the only reason I was even saying that. I'm fried though. I just took a step back and looked at myself. I low-key look like I might walk up to you and be like, hold on, chat. Hey yo, hey yo! You know what I'm saying? Like, nah, that's funny as hell. It's what. Look, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I am elevated, boy. Like, jeez, and it's definitely a sativa because it's like I'm up and I'm out. I'm fried right now, but I don't know what I want to do. I don't know what I want to do, twin. I'm like, you know what I'm saying? Like, this joint definitely got you, make you feel good. You know what I'm saying? Get you feeling right. You know what I'm saying? What'd you say? You always talking in my videos, man.
Man, all I'm saying is hit that pin comment.
You sending them people to the pin comment again? He trying to get y'all to mess with the pin comment again, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? You said what?
Use the link.
It's okay.
Use the link.
Y'all heard, twin, though. Y'all heard, bro. Hey, boy, this is a funny, like, hybrid, though. Because as much as it is a sativa where I'm up and I'm at them and I'm da-da-da-da-da, same time I can send my ass down and not do shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's really one of them ones. Like, it is genuinely one of them ones. Like, I do see. Now, let me get into the what is it? The educational aspect of this video, because you came here because you wanted to know, does living soil really, is it really like that? Is living soil really like that or not? And I'm not gonna lie to you. Now, keep in mind, I did get a sativa. Like, you know what I'm saying? It does have the, like, it's got some good mixes in it, don't get me wrong, but I'm sure that Blue Jam probably does have more flavor than this Versace if I had to guess. Just, you know what I'm saying? If I just had to guess. But the more I smoke it, like, we got to the middle part of the blunt, the thickest part of the blunt. So I'm really getting like maximum flavor right now. Now that I'm at the middle of the blunt, like I was saying, it does have like some very, very smooth flavors. What I will say is the gassiness on here is something that just recently started like bow, 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 bow. What? Yeah. But that gassiness, bro, like, where you get all the taste of the gas, you don't really get any of the, like, the harshness or like the bite or anything like that. Like, when I hit that, I tasted straight funk gas. Like I said, that diesel, you know what I'm saying? Like, especially on the aftertaste, that diesel go through crazy on the aftertaste. But I tasted, there's no harshness, but I do feel like there have been other packs, especially that even they've sent me, where I hit it and the flavor has come through even more. You know what I'm saying? So if basically what I'm saying, like, I bet you, like, this is really good. Do not get me wrong. Like, I can't tell a difference in the smoothness and the, like, I feel like just the hit itself, like, it has a fresher, like, tone to the initial hit. Like, it just tastes a little bit like, not earthier. I don't want to say earthier because y'all gonna think I mean outdoor, and that's not what I'm meaning. But like earthier in a fresh way, but it's just smoother. So like usually when you get more earthier, it might get a little bit harsher, but this is like earthier and then smoother, if that makes sense. I do really enjoy this though. Like, this just feels like a different smoke. Like, it's definitely is a different tier altogether than, like, you know, shout out to my people out there that be buying the cheap ounces, the 30, 40, 50, $60, $70 ounces. Sometimes they be smack, but you know, like, when you get a bad one and it's not smack, you know how harsh that joint be, how little flavor it has. This is the complete opposite of that. Like, the complete opposite of that, as it should be. You're paying a more premium price. It should be. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty satisfied. I would love to see like a blue Zushi or like a black cherry runt in living soil, something like that. Like, or a black cherry soda, something like that in living soil where those terps can really develop. That's what I really want to see. So I'm definitely gonna crack over this Blue Jam. Y'all probably gonna see that in a short though. I'm gonna be honest. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna lie, I'm pretty satisfied with what they done hooked your boy up with today. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna take my one more hit. I'm gonna let y'all get a hit. Then we gonna rate this bit. How that sound? Fast as a ghost. Here, twin. Get your hit. I told you how to cut out on the pipe. There you go. Get right. Man, I'm definitely fried. Like, definitely fried. So let me take this hit, give y'all this rating, and we gonna get up out of here. Yeah, definitely some good shit. Is it the greatest shit I've ever had? No, but These are some goody two shoes.
Yeah.
I would say out of 10, I'd probably go like a 8.91, right? And I really like the frizzledness of this pack. Like I'm overly frizzled right now. Wish the flavor was a little bit more, but if like the flavor, I'm not gonna lie to you, if this would have had a more boost in flavor, this would be damn near like very close to a 10. Like that's all it was missing. That is literally all this was missing. Now, did it have flavor? Yes, I just wanted more. I really like these flavors. I just want a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? Like, but it's definitely some. So if y'all want to see another living soil video, let me know. I'll crack open that blue gem and then we'll see if the flavor profile on that, if it's different, how much different it is, and if I can taste those flavors even more. But I think an 8.91 out of 10 is definitely some solid shit if it is. Yeah, man. But other than that, it's been your boy C. It's been your boy me. If you living swell and you smoking well, make sure you hit that notification bell so you never, ever miss an upload from your boy, because you know YouTube like playing with me. But other than that, man, I appreciate y'all so much. I love y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all for the next video, man. Peace. Yeah, I appreciate you for liking the video. You know what I'm saying? Nah, but I appreciate you for stopping by. YouTube said you gonna like this video right here if you like this one, twin. You know what I'm saying? If you like this video, you gonna like that one. But you hear the song? That's my song, Soul Circus. It's out. It just dropped on my project 1111 by me, YouTube exclusive. Go hit that corner, man. Go tap in with it, man. I love y'all. See y'all for the next one.
Don't try, little bruh. Promise you ain't got enough steez. If you reach, little nigga, you shaking his hand at the meet and greet. Oh, wow.